How can you start to take advantage of the crisis? To become a millionaire, and this is what most people do not know, during the crisis is when there are the best opportunities and how you can do it. I am going to tell you where you should concentrate your strategy in order to become a millionaire during this crisis we have had. So, this is the time for you to take that train, to take that opportunity to become the first one. How are we going to do it? I am going to tell you below what is the key and why most of the millionaires today have become millionaires thanks to reach this point that I am going to tell you below, surely without having to take excessive risks. And this is because it is by investing in index funds, such as the S&P 500. An index fund is a basket where percentages of a company are found according to how big they are. For example, the S&P 500 is the 500 largest companies in the United States. When you buy this index fund, you buy a little bit of Apple, Amazon, Google, and many more. By investing some of your money in an index fund and letting compound interest play, you will be a millionaire over time with almost no risk. And this is the way most millionaires have managed to amass their fortune, and it's something I like. This is because it is a safe investment, where you can double your wealth in less than 5 years, and this is very true because now many people also begin to speculate and are filled with fear. When there is fear is when you have the best opportunity to invest, because people do not want to buy. So, if you have money saved or money that is doing absolutely nothing, or if you want to start investing, I want to share with you that this is the way that you can really do it over time, because in times of crisis is when, after a few years, index funds have doubled in value. And when everything goes down, it is the time to buy, because we are in sales. This is all. Bobeconomist says goodbye here. If you liked it, like and comment. See you in another video.